attended Georgia Southern to try to get my mechanical engineering. Once I got an internship at a manufacturing plant, I realized that the days that I was stuck behind the desk doing engineering work that I didn't like it, and I wanted to be hands-on and do maintenance. That's whenever I transitioned. I went to the tech school that's in Hazelhurst, obtained a few certifications and all, which led me to getting on here. I started out in facilities maintenance whenever I hired on and worked my way to the mechanical apprenticeship program, and have been topped out in the shop now for about a year and a half. We'll go through plant status, what the plan of the day is, kind of what equipment we plan on working on, what issues we want to try to fix. So we'll get our tools together and we'll go to our jobs. You never know what you'll be working on day to day. It could be a nice, easy fab job in the fab shop, the air conditioner getting some stuff ready, or it could be some hot stuff on the turbine deck where, yeah, it could be 100 degrees, but it's always something new and something different. All mechanics, that's what we do. We fix what ops needs worked on, whether it be preventative maintenance or corrective maintenance, elective maintenance. I really enjoy being able to work on stuff with my hands and fix stuff and figure out issues that are happening. It gives me a big sense of satisfaction. I have just accepted a nuclear planning job, which I start next week. So short term, move to planning, get some more experience to further my career. That way I can move up to supervision eventually, and possibly one day on up to the manager position. Our job is to keep the public safe. If we work on the equipment the way we're supposed to and it operates properly, then the operators don't have to worry, and that keeps our families safe.